Okay, I thought I would show you what's in my repair kit for my sea kayak. This container is a see-through Rubbermaid container, big box store. And I usually bring this on the group trips or on my solo trips. Let's just go through each thing that I have here. Bungee cord, rubber band, duct tape, obviously, more rubber bands, little webbing strap that can be cinched up for a tourniquet if you need it, lighter, some C-rings, dental floss, wax, and this is the most important thing, at least if you have lots of pieces of this. This is an inner tube, rubber bicycle inner tube. There's a ton of stuff you can do with this. In fact, on my recent trip I crafted using some shoestring and a piece of this inner tube, a headband to put my camera in. You could also put a night light if you're traveling at night in that. So the inner tube is the neatest stuff since Velcro. I've got two-part mix for epoxy, quick set epoxy, if I have to make a repair. Related to that, this obviously doesn't fit inside the container, but this is nothing more than a cover for a plastic 3-ring binder, and it makes a great cutting board. So this stows in my kayak, but you also could cut it to shape to repair a leak in your kayak or a hole in your kayak using epoxy or whatever. So, cutting board. Elastics, cable ties, carabiner, rings, key rings, assorted machine screws, stainless steel, cord for blinds. There's a inner tube stuff again. Cable ties, Velcro, cable ties, shoestring, clips, little mini vice grip, needle nose vice grip, more duct tape, patches, rubber vinyl patches for whatever, shoestring, screwdriver, Phillips head, paper, write a note, cable ties, big orange garbage bag, could be a distress signal, blow it up and fill it with air, wave it, inner tubes, you gotta love it, inner tubes, assorted copper wire, stainless steel wire, vinyl repair kit, super glue, patches, rubber bands, cable ties, bleach, clevis pin, and paper clips, pencils, dental floss, paper clips, etc. So as you watch this video, maybe you have your own repair kit. Comment on what you think I'm missing, what's in your kit. Thank you.